The reservation of seats for women in the institutions of local self-government has had a limited impact on the patriarchal character of the Indian political process. Comment. 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. The reservation of seats for women in local self-government bodies, like Panchayati Raj institutions, PRIs, and urban local bodies, was established through the 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendments in 1992. This policy aims to ensure adequate representation of women, promote gender equality, and empower women to take part in decision-making. Body. The reservation policy has positively impacted women's participation in local governance in several ways. Increased representation. More women in local governance has led to greater gender diversity in decision-making. Empowerment. Women involved in local self-government have gained confidence and developed leadership skills. Focus on women's issues. Women in governance have emphasized women-centric concerns like health, education, and sanitation. AUN Women, 2012. Report highlights success stories of women leaders in PRIs, showing how reservation policies have empowered women to address community issues. However, there are limitations due to the patriarchal nature of the Indian political process. Proxy candidates. Some elected women act as proxy candidates for male relatives, undermining the purpose of reservation. Lack of resources and training. Many women representatives do not have the resources and training needed to participate effectively in politics. Entrenched gender stereotypes. Patriarchal norms affect how society views women in politics, often undermining their authority. A study by Ban and Rao, 2008, found that although reservation increased women's representation, many lacked necessary support and resources. Conclusion. While reserving seats for women in local governance has improved representation and led to positive changes, its impact is limited by deep-rooted patriarchal norms in Indian politics. A comprehensive approach, including gender sensitization programs, capacity-building initiatives, and efforts to change societal attitudes towards women in politics, is necessary for effective empowerment.